I thought she was quick with a shotgun.
Thanks.
And that was your first duck, right?
Yeah, I do a lot of shooting, but yeah, my first duck, yeah.
First thought was, there's still hope for America. We got a gun-toting woman that wants to go shoot some ducks.
Trying to keep the dream alive.
When I saw my decoys start to sink as she was shooting, she was shooting ducks and decoys all at once, didn't care which one she hit first. I was thinking, that girl gonna shoot everything up in here.
I did.
My God, it's coming right for us!
I killed a decoy dead in its tracks. That decoy's not going anywhere now. I apologize for that.
There's a sense of satisfaction to know if you were ever stranded and you needed to, survive.
Yeah.
I felt pretty good about your chances after that.
Thanks.
Duck season, fire!
I think underneath that sweet outer appearance is a natural born killer.
That is the